Greetings and welcome back. Here is one piece of information that you don't know. With all the emojis around and all the shapes and the colors in the world, can you imagine Microsoft Word has no emojis? I'm going to tell you how to have emojis in Microsoft Word in this video. So let's do it. So here is the situation. Emojis speak louder than words. Really. No one is using words in any kinds of messaging anymore, right? And not even in the social media. So why not Word? There are so many things that we can do in Word, including the comments. You may need to have them in the comments. For example, if you review a document and you want to add a comment, why do you have to explain with no emojis? So there's no emojis here whatsoever. Why don't we have one? And if you go insert, you can't find them actually, except I installed them myself. Here's the funny part. If you go to the office, if you go office here, online, this is Word Online, for example. And here, the funny thing is you actually have emojis. So if you go here, there's an emoji keyboard. But this is not available in the, and here's a list of emojis you can use. See, I installed this emoji keyboard. This is what I'm going to tell you. But this is the pre-installed emoji in Office Web, in Microsoft Web Online, in OneDrive, but it's not available in Word, or not even in PowerPoint, not anywhere. So how do you install it? This is how I'm going to tell you. First of all, you go insert, and you get add in, you click get add in, and here you search for emoji keyboard. Here is a bunch of them. The one I recommend and I'm using is this one, emoji keyboard. So you can do this for Word. You can even have it here in PowerPoint. You go the same thing. You just go, or emoji add in, you can go here, emoji keyboard, same thing. And you'll find it there. Click add, you continue, and you see it right here. So now you go insert. Finally, we have an emoji keyboard there, right there. And then you just wait until it loads with all the fun emojis that you are interested in. And of course, you can have it as a text like the one here. So this is like text, right? Like you would normally do in any text messenger and all of that. But the funny thing is you can have it too as any size image. For example, here's one. I would choose. There you go. Right? And you can install, you can reduce the size, you can do whatever you want with it. Extremely useful, extremely helpful keyboard to use in PowerPoint. You can have it also in Word, the same thing, right here. And now you can insert all the emojis that you have in the Word, whether it is as a picture like this, or as inline text like this one, right there. Similar to the one that Microsoft has in the web version, which is funny enough is always there, but not in the Office application itself. Here you don't have it, right? So let me tell you what you have here. You have a whole bunch of things, but none of these actually satisfy your needs. Even if you go shapes here, it's not there. And icons, no, they are not the same. You have lots of options in icons, but these are not like emojis that we know it. And not all the emojis are actually available here, and they are not that colorful either. So if you have like a mad face, there you go, you don't have it. Okay, happy face, I'm sure you will have. but not the ones that we know. So this is what we have in Microsoft built in, the icons, which is insert icons, but these are not emojis, and definitely they don't observe your, of course here you have whole bunch of them, right? All kinds of emojis. Okay, so this is inline, and as I mentioned, you can change it here at the bottom, and you have an image. There you have it, an image and a text emojis in Microsoft Word. So there you go, there you have it. This is how you install emojis in Word as well as in PowerPoint. I hope this was useful. If you like it, click like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.